Kottarakkara Railway Station, code KKZ, is a railway station in the Indian town of Kottarakkara in Kollam district, Kerala. Kottarakkara Railway Station falls under the Madurai Railway Division of the Southern Railway Zone of Indian Railways. It is a D-Class Adersh Station. Indian Railways connecting Kottarakkara with various cities in India like Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Kottayam, Madurai, Tirunelveli, Nagercoil, and with various towns like Punalur, Paravur, Kayamkulam, Karunagappalli, Varkala, Neyyattinkara, Kanyakumari and Valliyur. Neighbourhood railway stations are Ezhukone and Kundara East. Services. See also: Kollam Junction Railway Station, Karunagappalli Railway Station, Paravur Railway Station, Punalur Railway Station, Kundara Railway Station.